How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Impression fifth wheel. This is going to be their 360 MYR floor plan. So we're going to start with our basement first. So this is massive, honestly, bigger than any standard fifth wheel basement for sure. You have your battery disconnect switch in here, as well as your solar controller, a little bottle opener, which is super cute. And then to the left of that, you have your fuse box, as well as a little more outdoor storage. If I take a step back, you can see that we have two awnings on this fifth wheel, nice underlit by LED lights, one slide out on the campsite here, nice solid steps under that entry door with a nice big grab handle to the left of that. If we move to the back of the fifth wheel, you have your backup camera prep, as well as a nice heavy duty ladder. Looking down, you do have a hitch receiver in case you wanted to tow something or you wanted to add a bike rack. And then moving to the driver's side, you have two slide outs over here. So 3 slide outs all together. We're going to come across your heat exhaust as well as your 50 amp power cord plug-in. And then to the left of that, you have your other side of your pass-through storage, as well as your water station. So you have a nice light to illuminate the area. You have your black tank flush, city water connection, a little outdoor shower. And then to the left of that, you have your electronic leveling system, water heater, propane tanks. And then at the very front of this fifth wheel, you have your heavy duty Rhino box hitch by Lippert. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this fifth wheel, to the right of your entry door, you do have some recliners that rock, which is super cool. Something new that I'm seeing in the RV industry. And then to the right of that, you're going to have a little desk area. So if you like to work from home, this is going to be perfect for you. This top actually does flip up to add a little bit of extra storage. And then taking a look at this rear of this camper, the kitchen area, the dining area, it's just insane. You have a gorgeous rounded tabletop with your circle lights up above, just really ties it all together. From right to left, you do have a little coffee bar, residential style fridge. Next to that fridge, as far as pantry space goes, this guy does pull out to reveal tons and tons of pantry space. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven down below with your microwave above all that. Cute little take on a spice rack, which is really nice. And then you also have a single basin sink, dishwasher down below. Within that sink, you do have a cutting board, waterfall spout, a soap spout, which is really cool. And then we're going to make our way over to our living room. So right across from those theater seating, recliner, rockers, whatever you want to call them, you have your smart TV with your fireplace down below. You do have little speakers that you can take in and out of the camper, which is really cool. And then if we move this lever here, you do have hidden storage. So plenty of hidden storage. We love to see it. On the back wall of this area, you have a couch, now just fold into a bed, in case you do have some late night stragglers with storage up above. And then on our way to the middle of the camper, we're going to run into our control panel. So this is where you can control your awnings, your slide outs, check your tank levels. You also have your heat and AC controls, as well as your water heater. And then going down this hallway to the left, we're going to find our half bath or laundry room. So you have a porcelain toilet with your little pop-up counter space, sink, washer, dryer, and then you have super tall ceilings in here, which is really, really cool. Making our way up these stairs, we're going to go into our main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. It is on a VersaTilt to give you a little bit of extra legroom in here. Chargers and outlets on either side of the bed. CPAP shelves, windows, basically everything you can need. You have a cute little pocket door, barn door style. And then across from that, you have a lot of drawers, as well as a nice big window. Moving further forward, we're going to have our main bathroom. So you have a dual vanity with an LED lit up mirror, cute little towel holder. And then across from that, you have your shower. So this is a massive shower. You have a skylight above for a little bit of extra headroom, little seat in there, and then you have your porcelain toilet down below. Now we are not done yet. This walk-through closet is insane. So on the back wall, you have a little shoe rack. On the right, you have some storage, as well as this bar that goes all the way throughout to hang your clothes. And then a little vanity area, super cute. So another LED lit up mirror. You have tons of storage here on the left-hand side of there. And it's just right off the bathroom, which is really, really nice. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Impression fifth wheel 360 MYR. Thank you so much. Have a great day. This camper, the kitchen area, the dining area, it's just insane. You have a gorgeous rounded tabletop with your circle lights up above, just really